everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to extend where we left off with Tkinter and our check button. So if you remember, we pulled this up and this looked a little weird, so we had to click it and click it off to get it empty. But that's not very user-friendly, so we need to talk about a IntVar. So this is what we do here. We build upon our experiences, our knowledge, and couple them together. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. So what this is this is very interesting. So let's just do this right here. tk.intvar. Close this out. So this is a way that Tkinter captures, let's bring this over, we're going to need this in a minute, captures variables and values. Okay, so what it does is it is built, where is it right? Alright, here we are with some documentation, coupling widget variables. Tkinter doesn't have a way, so it brought it in and set a subclass, and we'll talk about these later, but here's our IntVar, and it communicates with accepting variable input. So this is how you solve this dilemma right here. We're just going to call a var, we're just going to name it var, and then we take in tk.int var, create this, and then here's an argument, variable, and we set this to our var to say, hey, we're going to be bringing in some information to and from, and Tkinter has brought this in for us and has created this functionality. So now when we do this, and I'm sure you guys are getting tired of this variable. There we go. Not a spelling channel. Probably sure somebody said it and is tired of that. And sometimes I hate being dyslexic. So okay, there we go. Ready to be checked. Boom, boom. So this is sitting in the background doing all the legwork for us. And this is how simple you do this to prep that. And that's it. So there we go. That is how you truly create a check button, and have it be sitting there waiting to take data. It's taking in a action, an event, however what terminology you are used to hearing. So there we go. Wanted to cover these, and we will be covering the others very soon and just building upon this. So that's why it's so important. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Don't want you missing anything. And as always, guys, have been having some awesome video requests, really truly nice comments, and I can't tell you guys thank you enough. So please drop anything below what you want to see more of, anything that I can do for you. This is your channel. Lead this channel, because if you have a question, somebody else has that same question. So help me out and help them out. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.